bagsak sa inyo.
Ay,
Alam nyo, pangit sa salitang bagsak, ha? Failure. Saan naman huwag na ulitin?
Dalawang bulang pa.
Tingnan nyo sa principle ng physics and astronomy. Pag sabihin, ganyan, ito yung sabi natin. You are attractive. Pag sabing bagsak doon, kasi nalagyan ka sa ulit ng earth. Pag pumunta ka sa lupa, you're attracted by the gravitational force. Right? Oh, sinusunod ko yan. Okay, ang yung sabi bagsak, sabi ko noon, bagsak. Sabi ko na, yung pit. Simple as that. Anyway, we'll continue. May dala rin akong kudigo. May kudigo here. And then wala pa akong PowerPoint. A PowerPoint that will spoil without power. No? Kailangan mo pa ang power kung mag-point man siya. Okay. So yan na lang daw, visual aid. In my whole life in the academy, I never had a visual aid. So yung mga kasama kong professor sa Lasal, nag-complain sila bakit sila may memorandum sa EBP na going to class without visual aid, meaning unprepared. But he complained, why Dr. Agabon does not have a memorandum? Sabi ng Dean, if you want me to issue memorandum to Dr. Agabon, let her carry her visual aid. Kasi, wala na ako sa trabaho, I never remember that I brought along visual aid. Just white board marker. Yan yun. Kasi pag marami kang bitbit, sabihin ng estudyante, magsaway sa atin na hindi tayo handa, siya hindi rin handa. Bakit marami sa bitbit? No? So, going to war without weapons is a smarter way because you are a smart warrior. Okay? Alright, so, yun na ba? Medyo malayo, marami pa naman dito dual citizen. Dual citizen. And I'm also one of them. But still I'm happy. I can still drive day and night.
wow.
Outside, but not in the bedroom. Nothing to drive. Okay? Pinatawa ko lang kayo. Baka natulog na kayo eh. Ako na tayo, no? Alright. So we are into product. Because as he said, I was happy knowing this. Because as a practitioner, as a doctor, problema talaga yung hormonal imbalance. Walang gamot. Kung meron man, too expensive. At wala rin ma-bili. Okay? Now, what is alarming is the fact that people having hormonal imbalance are getting younger. Dati-dati, pagpasok ng 40, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Meaning, life begins at 40. Chapter 4. Doon pa lang mag-umpisa ang hormonal imbalance. Not pangay. Papasok na, 40, 50. But today, even 16-year-olds have hormonal imbalance. Now, these are the fact and truth that people are sick but we don't know what is the principle to that disease. They identify the disease. Mataas ang aking high blood. Kaya kung tumungtong sa lamisa, mataas high blood. Mataas ang aking high blood. Okay? Mataas na high blood. Okay? And then ang iba, makita mo as young as 32-year-old, in pain. Bakit? Okay. Ang iba na, ganito na, stroke at the age of 30. Na-stroke na. Ang iba, wala na nga ngipin eh. 11-year-old pa lang, wala na ngipin. wala na. Naubos na ang front teeth. Pag pumunta, ang teeth yung dito. Okay? There are plenty na taken for granted. But success counts the person. That's why hindi ba nyo napunan at hindi na lang pumili ng salamin? Salamin sa kagandahan. Dahil people refuse to see themselves now. Ayaw na nila magsalamin. Ayaw na nila maglagay ng mirror on the wall. Because the mirror always tells the truth. And they always keep themselves. They feel young, they feel beautiful, but their faces have electric plates. No? Pag binabawi na lang yan. Pag meron palagot, it is a sign of wisdom. Pag naubos si buhok, it is a sign of wisdom. Pag nakalpo na, sign of wisdom. Hindi na namin na pinagpumutan siya ni Midi. Buhok yung buhok niya. So, ang dami-dami nating sakit that doctors usually treat at the end part. They are not treated from the beginning. What is the real cause of this problem? Bakit mataas ang high blood? Okay? Mataas na high. Reklamo sa akin, so bakit ito mataas ang aking high blood? Mababa naman ang aking cholesterol. Mababa ng cholesterol. Taas pa rin ang high blood niya. Sabi ko, hindi naman ibig sabihin na cholesterol lang ang culprit sa hypertension. Maraming culprit ang hypertension. You might have kidney problems. That's why you are hypertensive. Although your cholesterol and lipidemic levels are normal. Or, mataas pa rin ang high blood in spite of the norms. But you just don't understand that every day you are pounded with stress. And you are loaded with cortisol. And when cortisol is up, adrenaline is up, and there you are, and your hormonal imbalance, all right, welcome to the club. Darating yung araw, nagbibit na walang music. Nagbibit na walang music. Ang mga lalaki tangi tingnan kung sila ang kasi maglakay. Nakaganito. Anong ginagawa mo? Ha? Ano? So, I said, if I have that, Lord, kunin mo na lang ako. Huwag na lang kasi I am more of a liability rather than an asset. So, dininig naman ng Diyos na umabot ako sa edad na 61. I'm 61. I'm proud to claim and honest to claim and proud to claim that I am a certified senior citizen. Bakit? I got some confidence. May 61 ba na 5 inches ang high heel? Tandaya ka ng height yun. Ha? I passed my menopausal stage without a single problem. Wala akong hot flashes. Wala naman talaga. It's just nawala lang. No? And hanggang ngayon, 61, ayun pa ang paningin ko. I can still shoot the thread of the needle side. So, ito yung bagay na sama tayo sa Panginoon at I got this. I want to share this to people. Hindi naman pareho ang liberate ng ating hormonal imbalance. Ako naman, hindi gano yung hormonal imbalance ko dahil unused. I'm on vacation. I am celibate for how many years? Since the time I donated my husband. So kayo mga lalaki, careful. Mahirap pag ma-donate kayo. Charity begins at home. Always remember that. No? So, wala akong overuse ng hormones. That's why ngayon, sabihin man, pwede pa akong mag-boyfriend. Pero ang sinabi ko na lamang, boy, residual na lang ang hormone ko. Residual na lang, but at least I still have the hormone. But the good thing is, I feel better than my age. Kasi wala ka pang makitang buhok na malaglag sa akin sa bathroom. Wala pa ako niyan. Wala pa. So, meron na akong electric rate, pero sino pa? Now, meron na nangyari, nag-lag na, paggamit sa Fermax, I've been using Fermax for 5 days na. So, I'm 61, now I look 60.7. May discount na ako. So, that is just a joke just to keep you up. Parang hindi kayo matulog sa leksyon ko. Okay, so let's go now to the proper. So, wala na antok?
Yeah.
Huwag kayong matulog. Kasi pag ang iyong espiritu ay nakatulog kayo at biglang nagsasabi ang director, break! Tapos ang luto yung espiritu nyo, hindi na kami kabalik. Okay? So, that's the product. It was introduced, but I want this thing emphasized. He mentioned of the safety. Now, well, even if it is in the skin, if the manufacturing capacity is a question, it is still a problem. Kasi balat mo yun. Ano paglagay mo dyan, lumuko yung balat mo, problema mo yun, di ba? In fact, in states that is very expensive case. That's why cosmetics is very, very critical. But as far as how many months already people are using, no one ever claims of negative things. A lot of people are claiming for positive results of the product. So that is a proof that the product is really that safe. Okay? Now, second, how would I say scientifically that the product is safe? Okay, the product have the respective certification from different regulatory boards. Otherwise, it will not reach the Philippines kung hindi yan pumasa doon sa pinanggalingan. And the company have the GMP standard, the ISO standard, so good manufacturing practice. Okay? So that is it. Pagdating sa Pilipinas, nandiyan ang BIFAD. Sabagay, ang BIFAD, may bayad lang, okay na, diba? Okay. Well, hindi naman nabigay ng libre ang BIFAD. It becomes expensive with the product. Okay? Then, so we have the respected certificate. Now, how this comes? This comes in cream. You might wonder, bakit siya ipahit? Alright. So, when you say something na ipahit, it's dependent on its absorbability property. Kung gaano siya makapasok. Tandaan natin, sa pintuan na ito, hindi makapasok ang elepante. Ha? Ang makapasok lang dyan, daga at kayo. Pero hindi naman kayo daga. No? But, based on the code of conduct, ano bang code of conduct for security force? No ID, no entry. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka makapasok if you are not identified. That is also true to your skin. Otherwise, it will remain on top of your skin and you will not expect and there will be no manifestation of good results. Kasi wala siyang ID. Pero kung nag-manifest siya, ibig sabihin, it is recognized and gain its entry and here comes now the effect. It manifested itself through effect. Okay. So, yun po. Now, paano mo siya nakapasok? What is the character of the product? It should be small enough, smaller than the size itself. Sinasabi ko kanina, kung elepante hindi makapasok, dapat mas maliit kaysa pintuan. Okay? So, makapasok siya. There comes the word nano. What is nano? Nano, in chemistry, is 1 part of a billion size. That's why, madali siyang pumasok at may carrier pa siya. Okay? What is the carrier? These are the oils. The jojoba oil. And these are all good for the skin. And these are plant oil. There's no animal oil. Okay. Now, another is, bakit sa skin? Bakit hindi na lang lunukin para mas madali? Ay, siyempre naman, kung lunukin mo yan, ang mahal kaya. Ilang lunok mo lang kaya yung isa? small. Maganda yung pahit lang. Sabi mo, pea-size. Api, iitan pa yan. Mahal to, balik pa yan. Mas mura yan, ganumin lang yan. Ay, mahal. Balikan. No? Now, bakit ipahit siya? Alright. Now, the problem of hormonal imbalance, it's because of our nutrition attitude. Sa atin, Pilipino, kayong mga Pilipino, ang ugali ninyo, kaya ng maraming kanin, itungtong lang si ulam, amoy yung si ulam, kaya din si kanin. We are more on carbohydrate diet than protein diet. We are not particular as far as nutrition is concerned. Kakain lang ng ube sa panahon ng Pasko at araw ng patay. Okay? Dayain pa si ube. Lagyan pa ng kamote at hulayan pa. That is ube halaya. Okay? O class yun eh, class. Di ba class? Pag kumain ng ube halaya, wow, class. Pag kumain ng kamote, wow, class. Pag umuutot-utot. Lansado yun dumi. Am I correct or wrong? Correct talaga. Kasi observation ko yan. Okay? So, how often do we eat ube? How often do we eat blueberries? How often do we eat these foods that are rich in phytochemicals? Wala. Ang kinain mo, rice na 28 times getting in contact with chemicals. Mula sa pag-prepare ng lupa hanggang pag-harvest, 28 yan. Hindi lang po talaga yan. But anyway, it's nice then. That is killing softly. At least patay kang butong. Patay kang butong? Parang sinusumpa mo ang mundo. Anganga ka pa. Pero kung busog ka, nakangiti ka pa. That's why I said to my patients, walang bawal. Eat and eat and die. Then, not. Later. May later, no? Later. Who will bring about the word later? It is your good, wholesome, wellness practice. Kumain ng gulay, kumain ng balanced diet, the pyramid. Okay? So, pag kumain ka ng pagkain, na lahat na kulay doon, araw-araw, lahat na kulay ng rainbow, kinakain mo, congratulations, you are on the right nutritional habit. So, kumain ka ng pagkain violet, kumain ng kulay blue, kulay green, lahat ng kulay na yan, you are very close to good eating habit. As long as, may exception yan, as long as it does not contain preservatives, artificial flavor, and artificial color. But if these things are there, well, congratulations, your death will be colorful. Colorful yun, hanggang lahat ha? Okay, so nutrition-wise. Another, the emotional side of you. Bakit ka nag-hormonal imbalance? That's emotion. Yeah. Stress. Nangabit na ang asawa. Na-stress na gusto hanggang na-stroke. Ano pa? Oy, pumunta ka sa Tanglor, magpaganda ka. Sabihin mo, atawa ko pinakabalaan ko. Sabi ko, nakapikot siya. Magaling ka talaga, congratulations. Pero walang nakaala sa akin. Sila lahat, malunggay Diyos. Ako ang alat. So sabi ko kanila, huwag duplikitin ako. Ako lang. I-compare mo na ako original. Kayo Xerox lang. So, nangyari, it's just a matter how you handle your problem. Don't stress, kill stress. Okay? Now, pagdating natin sa stress, ito yung word. Kasi ito yung pinagkabilang natin, hindi natin alam. Ito pala ang pinakamatinding stress. So when you are stressful, you are prone to become acidic. When you are acidic, you will produce a lot of cortisol. When cortisol is up, everything is up. And that transforms your estrogen to become estradiol. Once you have estradiol, all right, klase ang dating. Kasi mamatay ka sa class na sakit. Amerika, cancer of the breast, cancer of the uterus, cancer of the prostate, cancer of the bone, basta cancer, klase ka doon. Kaya kung mamatay ka naman ng TB, wak class. Kailangan klase. Cancer! O, namatay, TB, diba sabi, cancer, cancer! Pupada yung kilay. At least naman, piliin niya pakamatay sa cancer. Ganda yun. Ha? Okay, so estradiol is the culprit. When estradiol is up, hypertension is there. When estradiol is up, your blood sugar goes up. When estradiol is up, bagsak ang libido. So, ganito ka na. Ayaw ko na. Bakit? When estradiol is up, tigang pegte. Yes! When there is tigang, kung tigang, tapos na ang mundo. Kasi mag-away kayo ng asawa mo. Then ayaw mo na kasi masakit. That's why, ang mannerism, it's my dissertation in one of my PhD. My last PhD was in humanity. Yan yung dissertation ko. Tinatagalog ko pa yun. Bakit ang tao, pag tumanda, si babae ay palingo-lingo, at kung si lalaki ay patango-tango. Di ba? Ay, kawukit lang. Si babae naman, magluto, magbalik. Kasi it is the traumatic experience. The traumatic experience during coitus that is registered at the backside of the mind. Eh, alam mo ano word o yung asawa mo, pag tingin mo, alasig ko na, galasig na yun! Eh, lalo na pagdating sa sipon-sipon, may sabaw ba? Patay ka! Diba? So, yun yung trauma. Now, remember, when you marry, it is your moral obligation to submit to your husband. Every time you say no, it's a sin. Hi! Kaya na kayo mag-yes talaga. Kasi yung kapitbahay nyo, short ng short. Pag nalasing yung asawa nyo, sabihin ng honey, akala ako doon lang ng kwarto natin. Doon na pala ni Kumari. Ay, meron na silang dito, mga lalaki. Ay, hindi ako nagturo sa inyo, ha? Kayo na ma-interview. Okay. So, ito yung mga problems. And much more, when you have sagging skin, nagsasag yan, kahit anong kain ng isang tao, umaga, tanghali, hapon, lechon. Maghanap talaga ng one-time bagoong yan. Maghanap talaga because there is something as point of satiation. Eh, hindi kaya yan naghawa sa mukha mo? Kasi kapag sabi ni Mr. Honey, patayin natin ang ilaw para mas lumang. Huwag ka humiti. Bakit? Nabula ka lang. Ako, ayaw, sige. Kaya natawa. Tawa na. Now, this is the problem on hormonal imbalance. Ang dami-daming, si lalaki naman, it's not only the women. Kasi mga babae, pag tumanda, mas taas pa ang bilbil kaysa dibdib. Right. At, tumantak pa ito. So, tinatanong ko, may pag-asa ba ng suso ng babae tatayo? Isagot ko naman, dalawa ang gamuto. Pili ka lang. Hormonal replacement therapy or wali? Hindi mo nang wali yung babae. Di ba, pagtuwan niyan, magwali. Yung suso, tumali.
Yung pala yun. Yung pala yun.
Yung mga hormonal replacement therapy, okay? But never use oral because the phytoestrogen gene will be destroyed by the digestive juices. That's why it is always normotrophic in application. Now, the best is the phyto, meaning from plants compared to animals, because plants belong to the lower kingdom. So, when it comes to compatibility, you have the leeway. Kasi maliit lang to eh. Pwede kang mag-build up. But when it comes to animal, remember, we are also animals. So, it will take a little amount and you might go and overdose. But when it comes to plants, you will not do that. Because they're of lower form. God created them as for consumption. That's why ang tao, ang ating ngipin ay parehong sa kalabaw. Di ba? This is not designed for tearing of muscle. This is designed for chewing. So, we are taught biblically to eat vegetables, not to tear muscle. Ha? Pero sarap talaga nito, paano yun? Paano yun? No? Alright, so, ito yung mga problema sa degenerative disease. Why we have the so-called degenerative disease? That goes with aging. Because you're exposed to the world. Kung sa isintang edad mo, sa tuig na rin, o sa isintang taon na rin, ang pag-abuso mo sa katawan mo. Ang bata, wala siyang problema. Kasi bagong silang lang yun eh. Pero ikaw, 60. So, nag-accumulate. And degenerative disease always the product of man's activity. Its attitude and character. Dahil lang, wala tayong replacement. That's why meron na hormonal replacement therapy. Dahil tayong babae, pag wala na si menstruation, wala na hormone, wala na libo. Kahit anong kalabit ni Mr. Ha? Ha? Wala na, wala na, kahit hubad pa si Mr. Ha? Kahit naman din, si Mr. Pulupot din. Bakit ay, itago ko na lang yan. Bakit? Male people go saging to. Magsasansin niya sila, laylay din yan, laylay. Ring my balls. Lalabas mo sa bridge yung kahit anong pasok mo yan, maya-maya labas pa rin yan. That's why it is advisable for many people at the age of 40, huwag na kayong mag-free. Kailangan kayo boxer short or boxer free. Kasi that will create too much hotness and that destroys your process. So maganda talaga yung puruntong. Left and right. Parking. Mag-parking left and right. O kahit magkalawit lang sila, magpupugan na. Meron pa na gitna. Na? Okay. That is the result of aging and that is the result of decline of your hormones. Even forgetfulness, memory loss. Wala rin talaga. That's why, sino ka? Ilanda mo, look, ako mo ako. Sinungaling. Ang ganda mo, ikawan mo sarili mo ako. Because you lost your memory. Okay. Kung may mga tao rin na bata pa wala na yung memory, lalo na sa bayaran ng utang. Pagbayad ng utang sa usapan, hindi natin makalaala. Okay? Ano ba, tinatawanan na natin ang ating mga detektor, ano? No? Lalo na kung mga tinang kilay, that's one time. Kasi yung kilay, pagbunutin mo sama. Okay. Then, ito, ang laglag na, ang laglag. Pagbabay, dalawa ang kumakampay. Ito at ito. Pag maglakad, akala mo pingwin. Kasi may kumapay-pay dito. Ang mga hita. Kumapay kaya ang mga hita. So, paano yun? Now, we have that chance here. Here is sperma. From the word sperm to the maximum. So, hindi na kailangan ko ng gambing. Ang hirap nito. Kasi di ba mag-sperm? No, you have now that sperm. Now, ano bang nandiyan? O di ko,